how you can access what Google has to offer as a classroom teacher. So you want to log in with your Gmail, and the first thing you need to go is use any of your browsing app. I am using Chrome, and on that Chrome app you will see this box. You want to click on it. If you hover around it, you see the name of the app. You just named Google app. Not to click on it because the first app we are exploring is the Google Calendar, right? So we're going to click on Calendar here. Just like a regular calendar, you can use it to keep important dates and track your record. Now, so to create an event as a classroom teacher, maybe you want a steady reminder on your classes, what you want to do is, so you want to go over here. Now look at where we are going so that you don't miss it. Over here, down here where my arrow is, you see this plus sign. You want to click on it and you see this option. So the first thing you want to do is click on create new calendar, and when it comes up you want to name it whatever, right? Let's say basic science for just one. Okay, so now you want to give it, maybe, what's it called now, class timetable for just one. So this is the calendar that reminds you about what you're doing every day and when you have your classes. So you over here you want to click the time. Remember, calendars work with time frame. If you have a calendar per day for a class, you know what time you're going. So you're going to click on the time zone and set that. I'm using West African Standard Time, Lagos, and then I'm clicking create calendar. Now you will see calendar creation in progress, which means you are about to start something new. I have to wait for it to finish. So once that is done, you want to go over, click on this arrow button and you will see settings. Now officially you go over my calendars and you see that this science for JS1 has been added to your list of calendars, right? So what you want to click on is basic science, because this is where we are going to start from, right? So you want to, you can change the color of the basic science, use another color, do whatever you want to do regarding that. So you want to click on create. That is the next thing we are doing. You are clicking events so that we save our events for the day. So we are writing maybe just 1A now. That's what, maybe you're teaching just 1A, and this is their event for the week. So you're going to choose the time or the days that you have basic science for just 1A. Maybe you're having basic science every Wednesday and the time is maybe 10 o'clock in the morning. Your second period, right? Maybe you have a single or double period, best. So let's say 10 o'clock. Normally class time is 45 minutes. So let's say 10 to 10:45. Alright, so you want this to repeat every Wednesday for this class, right? So we are going to choose this weekly on Wednesday because this is what you want, because you're having the same class every Wednesday by 10 o'clock to 10:45, so it does not change. And if you want to add a location of your school, you can go ahead. If you want to collaborate and add more guests, more people to look at your calendar, you can go ahead. And if it's a virtual class, you can add it to Google Meet, which is another app on Google that we'll explore later. All right, so if there's a description that you want to add, you can go ahead and say get ready for class or something. Get ready, and you click on save. Now once you click on save, automatically this comes over here to save. So we are going to Wednesday, right? This is it here. We have it over here as just 1A, 10 to 10:45, and if you expand it, you see what we have there, weekly. So every Wednesday you get an alert 30 minutes before the class and you get yourself ready if you are not ready already. So that is basically for that. You can go ahead and create another thing, which might be a task to do the same day. Let's say for just 1A, you want to give them an assignment on Fridays or something. So you can go ahead and write class weekly assessment. So maybe you want to give them weekly assessment, maybe the third week or third Wednesday. You can schedule that and then go ahead and repeat it monthly on the third Wednesday. So every month, third Wednesday, that's when you want to give your first test. So you can click click on it, and then you can save that. Okay, that's basically what this thing happens. All right, so it lines up on your appointment for Wednesday. Basically, that's it.